Sabi pa naman ng friend ko, hindi nila gustong umiyak ako. Parang gusto nilang umiti ako. Siguro nagustuhan naman nila yung channel ko. Palangiti nga ako. Tapos, lately lang naiyak-iyak ako dahil pag kahit sabihin pa nila parang baliw sa tumawat, umiyak. Basta yung nakikita niyo sa akin, yun ang totoong ako. Yun. Basta, wait ako na. O, babait din naman sila sa akin eh. To all who's watching me, to all, Englishin ko na. Bakit? Baka magtaka kayo, bakit pa English from Bisayang ito? Dahil lots of my viewers are international. They are in the other country, so I need to speak English. It's international language, right? So to all my viewers, my unknown subscribers, kahit hindi kayo nag-sub dyan, hindi kayo nag-ano kasi wala kayong tawag nun Gmail, I want to say thank you to each and everyone who visit my channel, who watch my video. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And for those who don't subscribe yet, so like my unknown viewers and unknown subscribers, baka naman kung gusto nyong mag-give love to me or mag-like and mag-comment, you can sign up in Gmail and you can write anything. You can write down below if you think I'm crazy or I'm insane. If you don't like me, it's okay. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. Hello guys! Good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all of you. Here I am again. I'm going to vlog today about spam. Spam, not a spam ulam. It's a spam na yung mga comments na punta sa spam. Whew! Ang init dito. I just want to vlog about spam because it is what it is. Every day, every minute, or what? Once a week, twice a week, hundreds of comments go to spam, right? We all know this. All the YouTubers knew this. And especially the big YouTuber. I'm only new YouTuber. But I already have hundreds of spam comments. But you know what? What did I do? What I did? I approve them all. Why? Because for me, once you visit my channel, once you click my video, so it means you have given an effort to watch my video. So, it doesn't mean na if they send you flowers, hearts, what, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, I still approve them. They give effort to visit your channel. Lots of my supporters actually, they don't speak English, some of them. They write their own words. They send me flowers, hearts, and everything, but they watch my video because they don't even have a channel. Some of them don't have a channel. Some of them have a channel, but only few videos. They're there, most of my videos. They're watching me, but they just don't speak English, or they just don't like say in words. They just like send you emoji. So it doesn't mean I'm doing this vlog now that all the comments goes to spam. It doesn't mean they are spammer, okay? Because I discovered so many YouTubers, money channel, my friends, my old friends, they go to spam too. So that's why there's an option, right? There's like likely spam, and then there's approve there in the other side. So YouTube creator put that because you can do the slightly spam, you can approve them and then publish them. Because they're watching you guys, they're clicking your video, they're giving you effort to watch your video. And then when they're watching your videos, they say, oh, my comment is not here. Then the next week, my comment still not here. Why she don't approve my comments even though I just send them a flower or heart, whatever? Of course, you have to approve them. It's like being nice to each other. Because the system of the YT, it's a program already. There are some like maybe comma or one word or two words that you repeatedly saying to each other, especially to like your old friends already. You've been there since the day one until now. Some other YouTuber, I watch their vlog about all their supporters, all their like organic or the people who is like money channel. I like support them last week. Like I watched her vlog that she said that most of her friends or her old friends, like they've been there to each other very long, and then all of them goes to spam. Why? Because YT creator have this system program that if some words are repeatedly saying to each other, it goes to spam. But it doesn't mean that the comments goes to spam or they are spammer. And also there are comments that it's in the comments and they didn't go to spam, or they're watching you full. Okay? It's not like that. It's reality, guys. A lot of supporters, your supporter, my supporter, everybody's supporter, like they've been there since day one, every day, every video they're watching, and then their comments go to spam. You know yourself, they're not a spammer. You know deep inside your heart they're watching you. But why? You have to approve them, right? For me, I approve them. I approve, I click approve and publish. That's why creator YT put the option, right? Slightly spam, and you can approve and publish because it is allowed to publish. Vlog ko. Yeah, it's bothering me. That's why I want to share. I just want to share to everybody. Because for me, when I visit your channel, when I support you, I visit your channel, I watch your video. I didn't play my phone, put there and go away. I didn't do like that. Number one, why? I don't have a Wi-Fi in my room. I do Wi-Fi in a common area. In this boarding house, in this establishment, common area, in a mini, like common. So when I visit your channel, when I watch video, I watch your video with my two eyes. I didn't just play them and leave my phone away and do something. Because I only have one phone and I use Wi-Fi in a common area. One YouTuber knows this, Maria Altamia Rosenkrantz. She knows because she's my neighbor. So once I visit your channel and I watch your video, I watch them. I watch them with my two eyes, not one eye, not to leave them alone. So when I visit you and I write comments, it's from my heart and it's from my brain. Sometimes I say a lot. Sometimes I say little in when my fingers get too tired already for sukli. I'm doing this for phone. Ang phone getting hot in all day, like 20, 30 people you have to visit them. So your hands get numb and tired. So that's all I want to share. And I also watch some other vlog about spam. Like big channel, big YouTuber. I even see what's this girl that she's very popular sa Filipina and then doing this. And then naspasilip lang ako sa kanya ba kasi sobrang like thousand nanood sa kanya. And that time when I watch her, like parang sumilip lang ako saglit. Ang nabanggit niya ay nagyaw-yaw siya. Bakit daw yung mga BFF niya, yung kung sino pa yung mga matagal na from the start, sila pa yung na-spam. Why? Kasi nga ang YT system naka-program siya. Pag palagi mo nang nasabi at palagi na kayo nag-exchange ng words, they thought it's spam. But there is an option, right? There is an option you can approve, because you can approve them. You can publish them. It's not a it's not a sin. That's why na meron siyang option, meron siyang pwedeng i-click kasi hindi lahat ng nasa spam ay spammer, okay? Wala lang. You know, I just express myself. Kasi pag hindi ako mag-express, parang nababother ako. Nababother ako, kailangan ko siyang ilabas, di ba? Kasi hindi naman ako spammer, di ba? Mukha ba akong spammer? Haba ako nga magsulat. Basta sinabi ko yung totoo, kung anong totoo. Yun. Once na I visit your channel, I watch your video, I will watch them with my 2 eyes. Yan ang totoo. Sabihin ko sa'yo ang totoo. Kahit pupunta ka pa dito sa bahay ko ngayon, papakita ko sa'yo ang totoo. Sinawisan ako, ang init. And then I also watch this vlog from other country. Like they are Americans, they are European, they are white people. They're also like vlogging white. What the heck is this? My BFF, we've been talking for so many months, for a year. They've been there from the beginning. They're like talking each other. Every day, comments, videos, sending back and forth to each other. In many videos, sending comments, I love you, I like you, you're beautiful, you're gorgeous. So it goes to spam because it says repeatedly. Dahil. Because it's repeatedly ba yung na ano na ba sa system na ano paulit-ulit kang magsabi ng ganon. Hindi na mag-explain. Basta it doesn't mean the comments goes to spam are a spammer, and it didn't mean that the comments is in the not in the spam or they watch you full. Okay? That's true. Because there's a hacker. Sus, ano sa iya ha? Mini weeks. Tanaw pa ko sa iyang video, tapos ano pa ko sa iya nagsabi, sige man sir, ato ka ko ang mga video. Sus, kaya hacker man di ay, bantog ra kay ako. But all na. Kataghan na nananaw mo, gihapon wala ning irog. Yung pala, naubos na. Ang uban din, ingon sa kuan, naubos yung mga oras nila. Kapos siya, daghan, sara siguro pag-iyaan na, basta ka nang walang tao nga, takot ay balay, imposible naman, nga, 500,000 o million ng mga ano niya, ikaw na lang tanaw niya. Yun nga, napunta nga siya sa, hindi nga siya sa spam, napunta nga siya sa ano, comments, diba? Tapos ang sinabi niya, can we, so to, friend, connected, we can do some business with the other, anak, your video is beautiful. So man, mo ora magyapon iyang giingon at mga miaging bulan hantod karon gusto magyapon makig-friend nga dugay naman may ani nagsigig. So sinukli ay. Naunsa pa ulit-ulit pagtan-aw na ko sa uban kana magsukli ko sa mga uban. Nakita na ako siya mo ora gyapon na iyang gisulti. Nga mo ana pud tong iya ang gipisitahan nga mo ana pud na. Oy, Dugay naman tang friends. Uy, dugay naman tayo sige ano. Para nakaprogram ang iyang ano bay. Happen nga. Nakaprogram na ang iyang ano. Tanan nga mga YouTuber nga mga bag-o. Automatic na napunta ang mga comments niya doon na pareho lang na salita. Uy, i-check nyo. May mga channel yan, sinabihan ko mag-PM kayo sa akin para sabihin ko, hindi pwedeng sabihin doon. Ayaw nyo, bahala kayo. Ubus yung oras niyo dyan. Diba? Bart, naubos yung mga ano nyo. Dami-dami naubos mga oras. Dahil doon, ang laking tao niya, ang laking bahay niya. Dami-dami, pag-click mo sa kanya, dami-dami niyang mga puro 100, 500, mga kiki yung mga view niya. Dili, wala mukha siya. Basta wala mukha muna na. Basta walang mukhang vlog, wala ka, maghinda-handa kayo. Uubos yung ano nyo. O, bakit andyan siya? Bakit andyan siya sa comments? Wala siya sa spam. O, diba sabi ko sa'yo, sabi ko, hindi lahat ng nasa comments na wala napunta sa spam ay nanunood sa'yo at walang ginagawang kababalaghan. Kaya kung ako, na-spam ako sa inyo, napunta ako sa spam, hindi ako spammer. Once na bumisita ako sa inyo at sinuklian ko kayo, pumunta ako sa inyo, dalawang mata ko, pinanood ko yung palabas niyo, totoo yan. Honest yan, okay, iiyak ako ngayon. Di ba ninyo, I sweat, it's very hot. It's very, very hot. This video will be long kasi na-emotional ako. Oo, kasi madami din kayo, halos lahat kayo, kalahati siguro ng comments ko nasa spam. O YouTuber, o supporter, o new, napupunta sa spam, kalahati. Kaya hindi ibig sabihin na ako napunta sa spam, kayo hindi, napunta din kayo sa spam, pero hindi ko na lang sinabi. Kasi alam ko naman eh, saka it's about being nice to each other. Ako kasi, kahit hindi din ako sure na nanood pa talaga sila ng buo. Yung iba dyan na sabi, oh punta ka na, dito na ako. Basta ako ini-approve ko yan, pero yung iba dyan na yung pag-ulit-ulit na lang puro emoji, flower, hearts, and everything. Ang iba puro pa inimsik or Koreans or unsa na Japanese ba yan or mga Arab ba yan or unsa ba na Islamic word. Sa pag-click pa lang ng video, na kinlik yung video mo, ibig sabihin interested sila sa'yo. Pag-open pa lang yan, kahit seconds, minute lang yan, pinanood nila. Nag-effort pa rin yan sila. Kaya i-appreciate mo. Sa akin ha, sa akin bago lang din ako, mga ilang buwan lang ako eh. Hindi pa nga muna yung ano ko kasi bago pa lang ako. Pero ano, I've been so nice to everybody. Kahit pa isang salita, dalawang salita lang yung sinabi niya. Sabi lang yung beautiful o unsa great content, unsa ba nila. Inano ko pa rin siya, susuklian ko pa rin yan, bibisitahin ko pa rin yan, tapos i-approve ko yan kung nasa spaman yan. Kasi once na bumisiti yan sa'yo, nagbigay yan siya ng effort, hindi ibig sabihin pumunta yan dyan, inano ka niya, hindi ka naman minura, di ba? Kung minura ka dyan, inaano-ano yung palabas mo. Kung minura ka dyan o binastos ka, ayan ang i-spam mo. Pero kung pinadalan ka ng mga maraming roses dyan at mga heart, tapos i-spam mo pa siya, diba? Hindi naman siguro magandang ganun, diba? Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na maraming emoji yung channel mo or maraming maliliit na comments or maiksi na comments or ano yan. Yun na yung basihan ni Lolo na ma-approve o hindi yan. Ang comments hindi yan counted. Kahit isang word lang yan o mali o iiksi, hindi yan. It's about the content. Ang content mo, kung ikaw ba yan nag-vlog, totoo ba yung vlog mo, sa'yo ba yan, wala ba yung violente, hindi ba yan bastos or ano, doon yun babasihan ni Lolo, hindi yung comments below nga i-check yan kasi ay may emoji, hindi ko to i-approve, ay may isang words lang or may heart dito, hindi ko i-approve, hindi yan ganyan. Kasi ang mga sikat, tingnan mong comments nila, walang mga YouTuber doon na magagaling na nagsalita ng maganda about sa video, puro mga pasikat na mga teenager, di ba? Puro lang isang words, dalawang words. O, kung sino man yung gising pa dito, pataas ang kamay. Kung sino man yung ano dito, paanong, di ba, puro mga ganyan lang, mga sikat, puro mga emoji, puro mga ano, bakit andoon yung mga comments nila? Bakit sumikat sila? Bakit may mga harang yung ano nila? So, hindi about doon. Hindi about doon na yung channel mo, may mga emoji, maiksik na salita, maiksik na comments. Hindi doon babasihan ang pag-a-upload ng channel mo, hindi. Kaya, for me, bago lang ako, kaya siguro blessed din ako. Marami ding nagulat sa akin bakit ganon ang views ko. Hindi ko nga din alam, di ba? Bago lang din ako, di ba? Pero sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, galing sa puso yan. Kaya yun. Kaya siguro blessed din ako. Dahil yun. I just being so nice to everyone. Yun. Lahat ng bumisita sa akin, nice ako. Yun. Kaya siguro din blessed yung channel ko. Kahit bago pa ako, nagulat din ako. Bakit may mga dami ng views, may 300, 500, 600. Hindi ko din expect yun eh. Kasi bago lang din ako. Tapos, mababait din naman sila sa akin eh. Ayun pa na umiyak, bye! Ito ko naiyak. Ayun pang umiyak. Yun lang, bless lang ako. Salamat sa lahat ng mga bumisita sa akin. Hindi naman ito maintindihan ng iba. To all who's watching me, to all, Englishin ko na. Baka magtaka kayo, bakit pa English from Bisayang ito? Ang pawis ko. Mag-English ako, kaya mag-English ako sa mga vlog ko. Dahil lots of my viewers are international. They are in the other country, so I need to speak English. It's international language, right? So to all my viewers, my unknown subscribers, kahit hindi kayo nag-sub dyan, hindi kayo nag-ano kasi wala kayong ang tawag nun Gmail, I want to say thank you to each and everyone who visit my channel, who watch my video. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Na-appreciate ko lahat ng mga effort niyo, kahit lang saglit kayong nanood, o mahaba, maikse, o isang word, dalawang word, mahabang word, lahat yan, ina-appreciate ko kayong lahat. Kasi hindi naman yan dadami yung ano ko, yung mga ba't ako emotional? Sabi pa naman ng friend ko, hindi nila gustong umiyak ako. Parang gusto nilang umiti ako. Kaya din siguro bless ako dahil nga, hindi, kahit pa isang word, dalawang word lang sinabi sa akin, yung babalikan ko sila ng buong pagmamahal, yung ganun. Tapos yun, siguro nagustuhan naman nila yung channel ko dahil palangiti nga ako. Tapos lately lang naiyak-iyak ako dahil pag meron kasi akong gustong sabihin, basta mabilis akong umiyak. Yung parang masyadong malambot yung ano ko, saka sensitive yung ganun. Saka yun, sa mga bago dyan, tingnan nyo na lang doon, baka kasi dati hindi ko din alam mga ganyan. Siguro naabutan ng ilang weeks or ano, na nakita ko ang dami-dami doon na napunta sa like list pa. Dati hindi ko din alam yun, kaya inabutan ng ilang weeks, minsan man. Pero pag inano ko sila, binalikan ko naman sila ng sakto. Kaya din siguro bless ako na okay din naman yung channel ko. Kahit ganun lang yun, pero effort naman yung ginagawa ko. Kahit mukha lang akong paang doon. Kahit sabihin pa nilang parang baliw, ito tumawat, umiyak. Basta yung nakikita niyo sa akin, yun ang totoong ako. Yun. Basta, bye! Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for all your support to my channel. Maiyak man ako, tumawa, or ano, nandyan kayo. Thank you very much. Hello. Hindi mo na ako mag-shoutout ng pangalan. Basta thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And for those who don't subscribe yet, so like my unknown viewers and unknown subscribers, baka naman kung gusto nyong mag-give love to me or mag-like and mag-comment, you can sign up in Gmail and you can write anything. You can write down below if you think I'm crazy or I'm insane. If you don't like me, it's okay. Yeah, you can write anything. It's free. Kasi may mga basher din ako, hindi ko dinidelete. Andun lang sila, yung mga may iba doon na mga hindi ko sila inaano. Doon lang, bahala kayo. Basta ako, I'm doing the right thing. In my heart, I'm doing the right thing. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe my channel. Please like, subscribe my channel. You can click the bell button below so you can, you know, if I have a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend to everyone. Mwah.